Welcome back in the kitchen with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, we have this idea which is gonna be coming up very soon. The idea is that we want to do a budget for the week for a family who wanna, you know what I mean, or you can save money and or you can buy things and have a lot of money. We will do a budget for you guys, or you can save money at home, and we will do that. We will do that video and we're gonna show you how you can buy so many things and still have a lot of money left in your pocket after you finish shopping and get the best stuff then where you can use to cook at home and the family will be happy. So guys, hopefully we'll just like the ideas, and if you like the ideas, please tell me what you think about it. If you want me to do the video, or you can do your budget for the week and the family will be happy. And share the video and subscribe and tell a friend, and a friend will know about Chef Ricardo. So guys, if you think a good idea, please write and leave your comments below. Thank you so much with Chef Ricardo cooking show. See you next time.